On the 9th of June 2023, I woke up after the day's activity, went on Instagram, and I saw this post by TBC by Yoyo, and I decided to apply to be a fellow on this journey. Thankfully, I got chosen. I was super excited. I couldn't hold my joy. And on the 24th of June 2023, we embarked on this life changing journey. I cannot forget this day. It was everything I prayed for and more. So story time. We were to meet at Accra Mall 7:30, and that was where we were to take off. But trust your girl, I couldn't sleep all through the night. I was so anxious and expectant. So I got to Accra Mall as early as past 6. I think about 6:30. Yes, 6:30 to 7 thereabouts. And I was the first person to get into the bus, and I was waiting for every other person. Now, yeah, people were coming
Madam Chichi
in.
was already in.
I'll be telling you guys more about Mrs. Chichi Yakubu. So please go follow her on Instagram. She is an amazing woman. I promise you. Yeah, we had to go change to our outfits for the day. Yay, TBC. Yeah. And we're now heading back to the bus so we can take off. And these are the ladies in the house. Yeah, see, if you want to follow this beautiful ladies, please go to TBC by Nyonyo. Look for that post where they announced the fellows and follow each and every one of us. Yes, follow the fellows. TBC, ignite your culinary business spirit. Repeat after me. TBC, ignite your culinary business spirit. Yes, that's what TBC is all about. So, when we talk about food business, we are not just talking about cooking and making of the food only. It starts from the farm to the market, to the cooks, to the packaging companies, to the logistics, to the event planners, to the organizers, like everything. It encompasses a lot, and that is what we learned on this journey. Many people have gone into food business without understanding the act of food business. Food business is not just about knowing how to cook or cooking delicious meals. If not, so many people can go into the business of food. Yes. Why do you think that some people go into food business and then they don't succeed in it? It's not because they don't know how to cook. It's because food business goes way more than that. I would tell a personal story why this immersion meant a lot to me. I finished my youth service in the year 2020, and even before I finished my youth service, I knew I wanted to go into business. I knew my line of business was always food, and I started working towards that. After a while, I started saving up to start up a restaurant. My family, my friends were of great support. They supported me with funds, they supported me with encouragement, they advised me the best they could. And I kicked started this restaurant after so many months of struggling to put things together all by myself. To God be the glory, because in everything we give thanks. To God be the glory, I started the restaurant business. It was moving at first, and then things started going down. I was confused. I didn't know where I had gone wrong. I tried to retrace my steps, but probably it was already too late. I'm going to be sharing some of the mistakes I made that time. I went for a location that wasn't my target audience. My food was very good, but I positioned myself in a place where they were all about what to fill their stomach. They never cared about quality. And my pricing was too high for them. Not because my price was high generally in the market, no, but because for this set of market that I have gone to position myself, my pricing was too high for them. They couldn't afford it. These were people that were trying to, survive and just put anything in their stomach just to go on for the day. Another thing that happened to me, or another mistake I made, was that I was listening to everybody. Okay, your price is too expensive. Bring it down. I'll bring it down. No, it's too low. Bring it up. I will bring it up. Okay, add this one to your menu. I will add this to my menu. Okay, remove this from your menu. I was just listening to everybody all at the same time. Thirdly, I never had a mentor. I never had someone that would say, I never had someone I can say I went to for advice. I never had someone that was already in the food business and could advise me on the do's and the don'ts. Someone that can hold my hands and say, do not do this or do this. Someone that when there are issues, I could actually run to and ask for advice. I had no one like that. So I was just doing everything all by myself. Big mistake. Another thing I did was that at a point I was trying to run the restaurant all by myself because I had tried bringing in people to work with me. It's either they are not into the business or their heart is not in the business, no matter how nice I treated them. Some people told me, oh, you don't have to be that nice to your customers. Sorry, you don't have to be that nice to your employees. If not, they will not take you seriously. So I was just in the middle, how to treat this employee so this employee would deliver her best. But that was not helping anyway. I got frustrated. I took up everything all by myself. I go to the market myself, come back, prepare the ingredients, cook, serve my customers, wash the plates, arrange up for the next day. Sometimes I go for delivery all by myself, and it was just chaotic. At a point, I broke down. I couldn't continue any longer. I realized I have just messed up. I realized I have just wasted money. I realized I did not take up the best decision for myself. But guess what? I do not regret all of this. Was it painful? Yes. Could I have done better? Yes. But I don't regret anything. I knew this was the path I wanted to go. I knew this was the area I wanted to go. I wasn't well informed about this business. But guess what? I am here to stay. That was what I told myself. No matter what it is, I am here to stay. And BEFE'S kitchen is here to stay. Why am I telling us the story? I want you to know the gravity of what the TBC immersion meant to me. I told myself coming back to Ghana to start up a food business again, I do not want to make the same mistakes I made back then. I've prayed about my business, I've tabled it to God, I've been willing to learn, I've been open to learning, and this opportunity just came at the very right time. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to Mrs. Chichi Yakubu. Thank you for availing yourself to be used by God. We did not pay a penny, not a penny, for all we learned on this day. It was all by her free will and she wanting to help young foodpreneurs like myself. And we are super, super grateful. This means a lot to me, and I also know it means a lot to every fellow that was represented. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Yakubu. God bless you immensely, and I pray that TBC will stay and will grow. And I can promise you one thing: the sky is just a starting point for you. God bless you, ma. I love you so much. Your energy is contagious. You carry a lot of positivity, a lot of light around you, positive energy. I admire you a lot. And thank you for giving us this opportunity. I cannot stop saying thank you. It was an awesome experience. And if you have not eaten your jollof, what are you doing? What are you doing? If you're in Ghana, you're in Accra, and you've not eaten your jollof, you are missing. Oh. You are missing out. I promise you, it's a must try. It is a must try. Do not forget to follow Chichi Yakubo on Instagram, Yonyo Canteen on Instagram, TBC by Yonyo on Instagram, BEFE'S Kitchen on Instagram, and all the fellows. Go to TBC by Yonyo. Check out where the fellows were announced. Our handles are there. Check us out. Support every business you see there. We love you all so much. And I love all the amazing fellows I met. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when next I upload a new video. Bye.